नमस्कार, वेलकम टू श्री ज्ञानसागर कोचिंग क्लासेस पिंपळगाव बसवंत. आय एम तुषारे सर. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, जर व्हिडिओ आवडल्यास नक्कीच सबस्क्राइब करा. नाउ टुडे we take practice set 1.3, the next questions. Now up to this question number 4 we have to discuss. Now today we start question number 5, and the question number 5 is in given, mean that in this figure, in trapezium, mean that PQRS is the trapezium. Side PQ is parallel with side SR. AR is equals to 5AP. AS is equals to 5AQ. And to prove that SR is equals to 5PQ. Now student, for this it's proved. स्टुडंट जे गिवन मध्ये असताना ते आधी राईट करून घ्यायचं. मीन दॅट इथे आपण काय घेऊया, क्वाड्रिलॅटरल PQRS is trapezium. Then this side PQ is parallel with side SR. Side PQ is parallel with side SR. This is given. Student, if you take this side PQ is parallel with SR and any one of them is the transversal. Here now we take side PQ is parallel with side SR and segment QS is transversal. QS is transverse. At that time, student, this angle and this angle is congruent. Or you also take this angle or this angle, any one of them. First, I have take here therefore angle PQS. PQS is congruent with angle PQS is congruent with RSQ. Because alternate angles of parallel lines. Now that is I have to take this only up to angle PQA up to this A, and also this one is RSA. Angle RSA because the in betweenness property Q dash A dash yes. Okay student, then we take next one is this 2 one, mean that AR is equals to 5AP and AS is equals to 5AQ. Suppose that this is equation number, this is first and this is equation number second. Now student, then we take two triangles here. In triangle, student, always take the proper correspondence. Now I have to start from point P, or for the second triangle R. Now here we take first triangle is RSA or PQA, any one of them. Now here we take triangle RSA and triangle PQA. Now here in triangle RSA and another triangle is PQA. Student, when you look this, then the first angle PQA and RSA are congruent, mean that from the equation first I have to write here first one is angle RSA is congruent with angle PQA. I have to write here from equation first. Then second angle is, now when we look this angle, This is vertically opposite angle. You can take this angle or this angle also. For I take here angle RAS is congruent with angle PAQ because vertically opposite angles. Now student, if these two angles are congruent, then these two triangles are similar. So that this triangle, means that triangle RSA is similar with triangle PQA, and the similarity test is angle test, means that AA test. Student, if these two triangles are similar by AA test, then their corresponding sides are also in proportion. So that first two mean that RS upon first two means PQ is equals to second and third SA upon QA, and the third ratio is first and last, means that RA upon PA. Now here we write the reason, corresponding sides of similar triangle. Now then from equation number second, which is in given, we have to substitute this value of AR and AS is 5AP and 5AK in this equation. At that time we get that AR is present here, AR, and second one is AS, means AS. So I have to substitute this value such way that RS upon PQ is equals to SA means AS, it's 5AQ, upon this QA means we write here AQ. Then substitute the value of AR means RA is how much? 5AQ. I also write this PA is AP, and reason is that from equation number second. Student, when you observe here, this AQ get cancel and AP also get cancel. So that our remaining is RS upon PQ is equals to 5 upon 1 is equals to 5 upon 1. Suppose that this is equation number 3. Then from equation 3 we observe here this ratio is equal to 5 upon 1 and 5 upon 1, mean that they are same. So we take only one ratio, means that RS upon PQ is equals to 5 upon 1. Here is from equation 3. Then student, by cross multiplication we get that RS into 1 is RS is equals to 5 into how much? PQ. Now that is RS means SR. RS means SR. Therefore SR is equals to, this is 5 into PQ, means that 5 PQ, and hence it is true. This is question number 5. Okay. Question number 6. Look at this figure. This quadrilateral ABCD is the trapezoid. Side AB is parallel with side DC. Diagonal AC and BD are intersect each other at point O, and some values are given. AB is 20, then DC is 6, OB is 15, and we have to find out the value of OD. OD is equals to question mark. Student, when we observe here, this quadrilateral ABCD is trapezium. This is given. Student, this example is same as the earlier example. We show that these two triangles are similar and substitute their values in the corresponding sides of their triangles. So first I will take this which is given here. Side AB is parallel with side DC and I have take any one segment as transversal. Segment BD is transversal. This is given. Then this angle CDB, look at CDB is congruent with angle ABD. Now the reason is alternate angles of parallel lines. Only write alternate angles. That is, I have to write this angle CDB means angle CDO up to this only O, and this angle ABD is also angle ABO, because the reason is that the in-betweenness property B dash O dash D. Now then we take these two triangles. Now first I take here any one triangle out of these two. In triangle CDO, look at CDO, and another triangle is ABO. ABO. Student, always take these two angles with proper vertices. Here C corresponding with A, so I will take here C and then A. Okay. Then now in this equation, angle CDO is congruent with angle ABO. याला reason देऊया. From first, याला equation number first म्हणूया. याला इथं म्हणतो from equation first. Now then next one is the vertically opposite angle. Which one is angle COD is congruent with angle AOB. Here is reason that vertically opposite angles. Now then these two triangles are similar, mean that triangle CDO is similar with triangle ABO. Reason is that these two angles are congruent, mean that AA similarity test. Student, if these two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in proportion. But then which sides are in proportion? First take here, first two CD upon AB. CD upon AB is equals to DO. DO means OD upon BO is equals to last and third, mean that first, mean the last and first means CO upon A. Here is the reason is that corresponding sides of similar triangle. Then we substitute the values which is in given. Now here CD is 6, means that DC. Therefore I have to put the value of DC is 6 upon AB is given 20 is equals to DO is find out here, means that OD upon this BO means OB is given 15, and these two values are not given, so I cannot write here. Here the reason is that from given. Student, when you observe this ratio, then take it by cross multiplication. We get that 6 into 15 is equals to OD into 20. Again this 20 goes to denominator, means 6 into 15 upon 20 is equals to OD. Then we simplify by using 5. 5 4s are 5 3s are. Again we can simplify by using 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Then it becomes 3 3s are 9 upon 2 is equals to OD. Then we simplify by these two. Then 2 4s are 8, carry is 1. Take decimal point, becomes 10. 2 5s are 10 is equals to OD. Means that OD is equals to 4.5. Therefore the answer is OD is equals to 4.5. This is our question number 6. Okay. Question number 7. This quadrilateral ABCD is parallelogram. Point E is on the side BC. Line D intersect ray AB at point T. Then we have to prove here DE into BE is equals to CE into T. For this, the given is that from this example, the given is up to this point T. So I have to write here quadrilateral ABCD is parallelogram. Point E is on side BC. Line DE intersect ray AB in point T. This is our given. Then to prove is this statement means that DE into BE is equals to C into T. Okay, then it's true. Student, if this quadrilateral is parallelogram, then we know that the opposite sides of parallelograms are parallel. So I have to take here this segment AB. Look at segment AB is parallel with segment CD or DC. This is reason opposite sides of parallelogram. That is, when we extend this AB, then we write here that is segment AT is parallel with segment CD, because the reason is that A dash B dash T. Now if we take this line is parallel with this line segment, then we take its transversal as DD. Then here segment DT is the transversal. If this is the transversal, then look at this angle. This angle and this angle is congruent. Why? Alternate angle. So that I have write here, therefore angle ATD is congruent with angle CDE, because alternate angles. This is the reason. Now that is, I have to write this angle start from A, we have to take point B. Therefore angle BTD, look at BTD, sorry, rather than D I have to take here BTE is congruent with angle CDE, because again A dash B dash T. Student, let this is equation number first. Now then we take two triangles. In triangle, which triangle? This and these two. Start from the vertex B. Then in triangle BET, look at BET. Then second triangle I will take here, the vertices start from C, E, D. Why I have take this? Because the angle E is opposite, they are congruent. So take it the middle position and remaining I have to write by using the proper vertices. Now student, to showing this one, first I will take this first equation, angle BTE is congruent with angle CDE. Reason is that from equation first. Then second, I have take vertically opposite angle So the angle BET, look at BET is congruent with CED, is congruent with angle CED. Reason is that vertically opposite angles, vertically opposite angles. Then these two triangles are similar by using AA test. Therefore I have to write here these two triangles mean that triangle BET is similar with triangle CED by using which test? AA test of similarity. Student, if these two triangles are similar by AA test, then their corresponding sides are also in proportion. Which sides are? First I have to take here BE upon first to CE is equals to ET upon second and third is ED. Then first and third means that BT upon CD. The reason is that corresponding sides of similar triangle. Suppose that this is equation number 6. I will take here 6. When we observe these three ratios and look at its proof, here is only two ratios. So which ratio is essential? Now first here is B, so this ratio is, then D means in second. So first from this equation second I have to write here BE upon CE is equals to this ET I have to write here TE and this DE, this ED I have to write here DE, and the reason that from equation second. Then student, if we take its cross product, then first always multiply this one is mean that BE into D is equals to TE into C. Reason is by cross multiplication. Now that is, here is first to prove D, so I have to write D first. D into B is equals to, in this also C is the first, so this one is C into T, and hence it is, student, this is a very important exam. Okay, can you understand this? Next question, question number 8. In figure AC and BD intersect at point P, and this ratio AP upon CP is equals to BP upon DP. Then to prove that triangle ABP is similar with CDP. Students, so easy example. Now this is given, from this one is in figure segment AC and segment BD intersect each other at point P, and this ratio means that AP upon CP is equals to BP upon DP is also equal. Then to prove these two triangles are similar, means that triangle ABP is similar with triangle CDP. Now we have to prove here, mean that it's proof. Directly take these two triangles, mean that in triangle ABP and triangle CDP, student, these are the proper vertices. Now in these two triangles, first this ratio is already present here, mean that AP upon CP is equals to BP upon DP. This is given. This is given. mean that two ratios are equal, mean that this upon this and this upon this, these two ratios are equal and this angle is vertically opposite angle is also congruent, mean that angle APB is congruent with angle CPD because vertically opposite angles. Now student, two sides are in proportion and one angle included between them are also congruent. Therefore, these two triangles ADP is similar with triangle CDP by using the test side angle side, mean that SAS test of similarity, and hence it is true. Okay, can you understand this? So simple example. Then our last question, question number 9 of the practice set 1.3. Look at this figure, triangle ABC. This point D is on side BC. Is such that angle, look at this angle BAC, means that this angle BAC is equal to angle ADC. Look at carefully this angle. Then we prove that CA square is equals to CB means that DC into CD means CD. Now for this student, from this question, first I have to write here given. In this given, in triangle ABC, point D is on side BC such that angle BAC is equals to angle ADC. Then this is to prove. To prove is CA square is equals to CB into CD. Student, for this I have taken two triangles here, means that it's proved. Now first, in this given, these two angles are equal, so I have taken the first point, angle BAC is equals to angle ADC. This is given. Student, if these two angles are equal, then they are also congruent, so I have taken again BAC is congruent with angle ADC. This is equation number, suppose first. Then we take the proper vertices of these two triangles. Now the vertices are in triangle. Now these vertices are proper vertices in triangle BAC and another triangle is ADC. I have to show that these two triangles are similar. Now first I will take this equation number first. Therefore angle BAC is congruent with angle ADC. Here is from equation first. Okay student, up to this it is clear. But when we look these two triangles BAC and another one is ADC, for both these two triangles, this angle C is the common angle. This is common angle. So our second point is angle. Start from A because we have to take here C. So angle ACB is congruent with angle. Here we have to take A. So here we take D. Angle DCA because common angle. So these two angles are congruent. Therefore, these two triangles, which one is BAC, is similar with triangle ADC by using AA similarity test. If these two triangles are similar by AA test, then their corresponding sides are also in proportion. Which sides are in proportion? First, I have to take here BA upon AD is equals to AC upon, here is second and third is DC, then first and third mean that BC upon, here is first and third is AC. The reason is that corresponding sides of similar triangle. Let this is equation number suppose second. Now when we observe this ratio, we have to prove here CA square. Mean that CA is present here. CA mean that AC. Mean that from second equation we take only these two ratios. So from this second I have to write AC as CA upon, here is DC, we write here CD is equals to BC, BC write also CB, and this AC also write C. Here reason is that from equation second we take these two ratios, but I have to changing their vertices because we have to show CA square is equal to CB into CD. Then by cross multiplication, CA into CA is equals to CB into C. The reason is that by cross multiplication. Okay. Then CA into CA means CA square is equals to, this one is CB into CD, and hence it is true. This is so simple example and also very important example. Okay.